everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I am Niranjani. In this video, we will learn how to practice Parsva Uttanasana, also called as Parsva Uttanasana. Parsva Uttanasana translates to side intense stretch posture. It is also called as the pyramid posture, which aims to balance the body's energy. Now let's get started. Moving on to the practice, let's come for Tadasana, keeping your knees and your feet together, your fingers and your toes active, your neck and spine in one line, your knees soft, your core engaged. Now from here, let's place our hands on our waist and let's bring our legs apart, 3 feet wide apart. If you are finding it difficult, you can keep it slightly closer, your big toe and heel in one line, both your toes pointing forward and knees soft. And now slowly from here, now let's turn our left foot out towards 90 degree and turning your right foot in 30 or 45 degree. And now from here, let's turn our body completely towards our left side, facing our left leg. And now from here, there are many variations for this posture. You can either interlock your fingers behind, or you can catch hold of your elbows, or you can raise your arms up and join your palms. So whichever variation you feel comfortable. On exhale, bending forward from your hips laterally, let's go for a forward fold towards our left side, dropping both your palms down, dropping your head down, chin in between your collarbone. Let's stay here for a few breaths. Breathe. And then slowly dismounting, inhale, slowly will come up, back to center. Exhale, slowly placing your hands on your waist, turning your body completely forward, your left foot in, your right foot facing forward. And now we will repeat the same on the other side. Now this time turning my right foot towards my right side, 90 degree, your left foot in 30 or 45 degree. This time turning your body completely towards your right side. Again, raising your arms up or interlocking your fingers. In this side, I am going to interlock my fingers and show the variation. On exhale, slowly bending forward from your hips. Exhale, let's go down. Slowly bringing your chin in between your collarbone, raising your arms up. If you are finding it difficult, no worries, we can catch hold of our elbows. Let's stay here. Breathe. Again, slowly inhale, coming back to center, placing your hands on your waist, turning your body completely forward, your right foot in, your left foot facing forward, and then from here, carefully coming back to Tadasana and relax. In case if you are finding it difficult to do the final posture, we are going to do a modified version using the blocks. Now from here, turning your body completely towards your left side. On exhale, bending halfway forward, you can slowly drop your palms one by one on the block. You can stay here, hold the posture for a few breaths, and then with practice, once if you are comfortable in this variation, you can change the posture of the block by going down a little bit deeper, staying here for a few breaths. And then slowly dismounting the same way. Inhale, slowly placing your hands back on your waist, coming back to center, and then turning your body completely forward, and then we'll come back to Tadasana and relax. Now moving on to the benefits of Parsva Uttanasana, practicing this posture helps us to increase flexibility in our thighs and our hamstrings. It helps to activate our abdominal organs, and it also helps to calm our mind. It helps with the blood circulation throughout our whole body. It reduces any sort of stiffness in our elbows, shoulder, wrist and our arms, and it also helps for migraine and tension headache. Now moving on to the limitations of Parsva Uttanasana, people who have undergone any heart surgery, high BP or any abdominal surgery should avoid this posture, and people who have any hip issue, knee, ankle or shoulder issue should practice under guidance. Hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.